directly. Here's where an OBS specialist can interview supervisors, employees, etc. to gather information about why the pinpointed behaviors are not occurring and maybe why other behaviors are occurring instead. This method is actually called the informant or interview method of assessment. Bailey and Piles, 1989, called it ABC recording and described it as providing data on stimuli that are present immediately prior to and after a behavior occurs. Daniels, 1989, called it ABC analysis. Daniels put that it is asking a manager, supervisor, or employee about the conditions, aka the antecedents and consequences, under which the problem occurs. With that said, let's take a look at the 4 contingencies for the performer level again provided by King and Kieran 2021. Number 1, the antecedents for the pinpointed behaviors. We need to ask ourselves what antecedents should be in place to prompt the pinpointed behaviors. For example, written expectations or clear goals. Number 2, consequences for the pinpointed behaviors. We need to ask ourselves what consequences should be in place to positively reinforce the pinpointed behaviors. For example, occasional performance feedback from supervisors. Number 3, antecedents for the current behaviors. We got to ask ourselves what is currently happening instead of the pinpointed behaviors, as well as what antecedents are prompting the current or wrong behaviors. Number 4, consequences for the current behaviors. We need to ask here what is currently happening instead of the pinpointed behaviors, as well as what consequences are reinforcing the current or wrong behaviors. So that's why you can catch me next time.